How can plant nutrition be improved through fertility practices? By Zoe Cardenas. Introduction. Nutrient intake is the plant's ability to take nutrients from the source it is planted in, for example, soil or water. Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and potassium are crucial for the plant to grow. Soil fertility. Through fertilizers and the correct conditions environmentally, soils can offer critical living situations for plants. Problems like salinization, waste spills, poor soil conditions, and more can affect the ability for plants to flourish. Secondary Source 1. Soil Fertility, Plant Nutrition, and Nutrient Management by Lin Tang. In this source, a series of 19 articles were researched to conclude the best methods of improving plant nutrient intake through soil fertility. Rapidly changing factors in scientific frontiers helps define theoretical foundations of the field itself. The need for critical soil management, the benefit of cover crops on soil phosphorus, reduced nitrogen levels influencing the protein count within plants, and others were highlighted throughout the article. Secondary Source 2 is titled Plant Nutrition, New Methods Based on the Lessons of History, a review by various authors. Improving modern techniques used for monitoring plant nutrition and other environmental factors is vital. By looking at the molecular structures of plants, the author was able to conclude what factors affect nutrient intake the most, as well as factors that also impact soil fertility. Salinity was seen as the largest factor that affects plants. To counter it, using unconventional waste materials for nutrients like manure can help. The primary reference is titled Improvement of Growth, Yield, and Soil Fertility in Wheat through Tillage and Nutrient Management Practices by various authors. With research conducted primarily on wheat, the authors discovered different conditions and applications that affect nutrient intake based on soil fertility. Key nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, zinc, and phosphorus were proven to be vital in the metabolic process as well as photosynthesis. Tilling was also a large factor when concluding research in the study. Zero tillage proved to be insufficient but can be beneficial. With the correct practices in nutrient management, zero tillage can be used to improve nutrient intake. In conclusion, tilling is seen as a great practice to improve soil fertility, but can be countered with zero-tilling systems that utilize efficient and proper nutrient management. Poor environmental and soil conditions can greatly impact nutrient intake within plants. Using waste like manure can help grow sustainably as well as offer better nutrient levels compared to some chemical fertilizers. Providing the crucial nutrients for plants guarantees their growth is sufficient and efficient.